Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Willcox local and long distance movers near me. You might have to change your place of residence sometime in your life, and who knows, the change might benefit you, your family, and your business. However, it's not easy to undertake relocations. In fact, you might be tempted to forego the entire process, especially if you do not have the right firm helping you to relocate. 3 Movers is the right firm for you, and we are close to you here in Willcox. We are an experienced moving firm with the right facilities to help you see your move through. We know everything that is necessary for you to have a successful move, and whether you are making an international relocation or one within the country, you can be sure that we've got your back. We have extensive knowledge of the terrain and routes that will make the transfer very easy. Sometimes our clients do not have a moving plan that will encompass all the plans they have for the relocations. A moving plan is important as it helps you put everything you need for your move into perspective. We can help you draw the perfect plan that is well suited to your moving needs, budget, and schedule. Every move should have a plan, and you can trust us to help you map one out. We are the best option for your relocation, and if you come to us to help you, we will provide you with the best relocation treatment you deserve. We only ask that you trust us with the entire process. With us at the helm of your relocating ship, you can sit back and relax or focus on other things that will require your attention. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.